Hello my lovely, welcome back to my kitchen. It is really good to have you here, and if today is your first time visiting, I hope you consider to join us by subscribing. So today my lovely, we are making this delicious donuts made with liquid dough. It is so easy and simple to make, no rolling, no kneading, and no need for a cutter. I will begin by putting some flour in my sieve, followed by milk powder. After that, we're going to be adding some baking powder as well, and then give it a good sift. Sifting all the dry ingredients really helps to give our donut a nice fluff. Once that has been done, we'll go ahead and crack some eggs. All the other ingredients and their measurements will be left in the description box for you, so please do well to check it out. Go ahead and mix your eggs briefly. Next, I'll be adding the sugar. Mix it up until it dissolves. It takes about 1 to 2 minutes to do this. It is that simple. Okay, now that we are done, I will be adding in some milk. And on top of that, let's add some honey as well. The honey really gives that moist texture to the donuts. Okay, mix all these ingredients up well until they are really incorporated. Now I am happy with this, so I will go back and get our dry ingredients and sift it through. Add a bit of salt and put everything through to achieve the best homemade liquid donut ever. Now we're going to be mixing these together, but it is a good time to get some butter in the microwave for melting. So continue to mix until your liquid dough turns up very beautiful, like the one you're seeing on the screen. Next, we'll be adding some melted butter as mentioned before, and then top it up with vanilla paste or liquid essence. Any is fine. Mix all these gorgeous ingredients together. It smells lovely already. Look how easy this is to put together. This is the perfect treat for your family. Now it is done. Just look at how beautiful the dough is. Cover it and set it in your fridge for about 40 to 1 hour, and when it comes back you will realize that the texture of the dough has changed slightly. To make it easier for you to pour your dough, you can make your own piping bag or find a measuring cup such as this, or if you have any old oil bottle you can use it as well. This is what I'll be using, so I'll go ahead and pour my liquid dough into my bottle. Everything is in the bottle now, so I'm going to be closing it up tightly. Then grease up my pan. Now the next thing is to pour this gorgeous liquid into our tray and filling it halfway. Hello, if you are new here, please do not hesitate to subscribe and hit on your notification bell to receive all future uploads. Thank you very much. You may also use a regular spoon to fill this up. Just wipe away any spills that may happen. Now this is done. Tap it up to flatten it up nicely, and we are going to be baking this for only 20 minutes. And just like that, it is done. It is so simple to make, and it tastes absolutely delicious. I am sure you and your family are going to really love this. It smells incredibly delicious in here. Now we are going to be glazing this with Nutella. Let me show you a simple way to do this. Simply scoop the required quantity into a bowl and then put it in the microwave to melt. And since you cannot go wrong with sugar ring donuts, why not just pour in regular granulated sugar into a bowl and cover it with these delicious donuts. It looks and tastes so delicious, I promise. Now our Nutella has melted, and just go ahead and dip your donuts in and shake it off slightly to smoothen it out. Very delicious and easy way to glaze your donuts. Now let's look at the inside. Besides the incredible taste, it is soft and moist too. You would love the incredible taste of this homemade donut. And now look at the Nutella one. Just perfect. Kindly leave a like on the page to support the channel. And I'll see you in my next upload. Bye bye.